Welcome to Tip Tuesday. I'm Mark Sudonic, Textile Applications Specialist, Graphic Solutions Group. Today's tip, we're going to feature the Action Engineering Roller Squeegee and show you how to use this to smooth your underbase. The Roller Squeegee mounts right in your squeegee holder. Lock it in and we're good to go. We're going to use it on a Teflon sling. You could also use a pre-coated screen with a Teflon backing sheet on it. I just prefer the sling. It's just easy to get it in and out of the press, and I can leave it on. It just stays out of the way. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and print our white underbase. As you can see, our underbase is really rough. All the fibers are coming through. Now that our print is flashed and it's nice and warm, we're going to go ahead and hit it with the roller. And as you can see, after the roller, we have a really nice smooth underbase. Perfect to put our top white on. We're going to go ahead and hit our top white. The roller gives you a really nice smooth print, and it makes the print a lot softer also. For more information and tips on screen printing, visit gogsg.com and follow us on social media, and we'll see you next Tuesday.